Hello everyone, Vincent here. Wait a minute. That's better. Hello. So today we're going to talk about how electricity can hurt. So I have my breadboard and power supply here and turned it on. And then if I hold these two up to my tongue, lovely, you can feel some pain. So yeah, that's pretty cool, but why do you feel pain? Well, it's because there's an electric current flowing through your tongue. And because of that, I can do something kind of fun. Like, maybe turning on an LED with my tongue as the switch. So, if we can get this in here. You see? It turns on. Makes a lovely taste in my mouth as well. But how does this work? How much current is flowing through my tongue to turn on the LED? Well, let's see. So, here's my thing over here. And let's get it out of the way a bit. I mean, my power supply's cable is just too short, so it can't really reach very far. But anyway, yeah, it's better. So, I need a potentiometer, which isn't... Here's one. So, if I just put it in series with the LED to the 5-volt supply, it turns on. And that seems like a pretty similar bright... Oh, not that. Apparently, the connections over here are pretty poor, but, yeah, that's hopefully going to be a bit better if I can even shove it in there. There we go. Yeah. That seems like about the brightness that I got from the tongue. So, now I can measure the current. So, let's get the multimeter out. Maybe prop it up with a box. And then put it on the current mode. I'm gonna do the 200 milliamp setting. And, of course, cannot forget the lovely potentiometer. There we go. Now, I can, get the wires that are back here, hugging the magnets like it's their girlfriend. And, now I can measure the current. So, if I put it... First of all, I can measure the direct current of the LED. How much current does the LED draw? Around... What is that? 200 milliamps directly for the LED? That can't be healthy for it. Must be a very happy LED then. But if we put it in series with the resistor, maybe tune the resistor so that's a bit more, Okay, hold your horses, let me calibrate it. Anyway, this looks like a pretty similar level of brightness to what we achieved with the, with my tongue. So, how much current was it drawing? Well, apparently, if we look at the multimeter, and maybe allow you to read it a bit better. There we go. Only around... not much current at all. So if we switch it to a more sensitive setting, This is in milliamps, mind you. It only consumes around 238 microamps. That's very low. But then again, I mean, it's still a little bit. But then what's the resistance of this potentiometer? So this potentiometer is now about the same as about the same resistance as my tongue. So why not measure its resistance? So let's try the 20 kilo ohm mode first. Looks like around 10 kilo ohms. And sure enough, if we try a normal 10 kilo ohm resistor, hold your horse, I need to find a resistor. Here is our 10 kilo ohm resistor. And if I connect it between there and there, you can see it lights up with about the same brightness as my tongue. So, I'd say my tongue's resistance is about the same as this little guy over here. So, we learned something, and I hope you enjoyed too.